welcome to my channel. My name is Vanna, or you can call me Bree, and today I'm be doing another shoe unboxing. Crazy how I'm not a sneakerhead, but I've been doing a lot of shoe unboxing, and from the title you can see what shoe we are doing. So let's get right started with the shoe. So I got the shoes at the Nike clearance, couple of cities away from where I live, and I've been eyeing these shoes for quite some while. Prior selection, known as the early bird boys, get these shoes early, so we're able to see like what's gonna come out beforehand. And after hearing the history about the shoe, like I knew I had to get it, especially since I'm a huge bag lover, and I hope one day like this is a step closer to getting my dream bags in my hand. And like I'm just so excited to wear these shoes, and I'm happy that they're finally in my collection. Okay, so the shoes are here. These are size 5.5. So the shoes are here. The Nike Retros Starfish women's release. So I know a lot of guys are eyeing these shoes, especially my cousin, which is funny because like, you know, like as a girl I love these shoes because of bags, and he loves the shoe because of like sneakers. So yeah, these shoes are so beautiful, and the reason why the box is like this is because they were found at the Nike clearance, and these shoes have been sitting. I'm surprised they've been sitting, but I guess like not a lot of people care now. I believe, like I feel like eventually like these shoes are gonna pop off and people will be like, damn, like why didn't I get these shoes sooner when they were just sitting, when they were at the clearance under retail. So yeah. Also, in case you guys didn't know, they come with orange laces, and I changed them into these cream laces because I feel like they would go a lot more with other outfits. So yeah. And here is the beautiful shoe. We're adding another Jordan to my collection because I'm a dunk girl, but like this imitates the colors like a Birkin bag, a Hermes Birkin bag. Not a lot of people know what Hermes is, but as someone who loves luxury stuff, that is like the holy grail, the top of the top in the bag world. Like once you get a Birkin, you are like everyone, like you made it to the top. And I hope one day I get a Birkin bag because like I feel like it's so classy. It's so, people are thinking like, wow, those are so lame, like it's so plain, but for me like it's so elegant and I love it. But you know, one day we will get there, and hopefully maybe it's next year, who knows. But this feels like another step closer to getting that bag, especially the quality. The quality is amazing. Like look at the little stitching, all the details. And then here's the little tongue, and then the bottom of the shoes. The soles, sadly there was nothing crazy. I felt like they could have like put an image of a Birkin bag. They could have done that, you know. As for the other shoe, it comes with like a little tag. I've never gotten any of these little extra items on my shoes, so I don't know. As a regular person, like I've seen sometimes when they have like the little keychains and stuff, I don't know the proper words for these items. But yeah, it came with this little Nike Air tag. This reminds me of the little keys that they have that comes with the bags, so they can unlock their bag. Right here in the back it's a basketball, and then right here in the front is the Airman. So I thought this was interesting. I'm not gonna keep this on my shoes. I know some people do, but I don't think I will. And so yeah, let me know what you guys think of these shoes. I'm so excited to put these on my feet, especially since it's winter time, so I feel like these colors would go more. I mean, these are more of a fall color because of the orange and the brown, but in here where I live, it's always summertime, it's always fall time, never winter, so we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. Would you get these shoes?